Hi, my name is Lisa Campanecci, and I teach 8th grade science in Brookfield, Wisconsin. I implemented a strategy for absent students using OpenSciEd by making a video every day. I would just, at the end of the day, I would close my door, I would come sit at my desk, and I would use the platform Loom, which is a free thing, and I would just get on Loom and I would record the video of what we did that day. This was easy. The hardest part was just remembering, but all I had to do was get in front of the camera and quickly talk. And I didn't care if it was rough or what, like it was done. This removed a lot of stress because was very easy for me to say to children, just go watch the video, just go watch the video, especially because there's so many pictures in OpenSciEd and rich data to look at and articles to read that just making a video really spelled it out for the kids, and they thought it was a very easy way for them to make up what they missed, and it was very clear of what they needed to do to make up what they missed. I made a video regardless if any kids were absent or not, because I could also use it as a review for students. Like, let's say they didn't understand the lesson that day. I'd say, you know what, go home and watch the video tonight, and then let's see if that helps. A typical video would be me coming on, and I would show them our daily agenda slideshow, and then I would go to the OpenSciEd slideshow for that lesson, and I would cover all the slides that we covered. This would include showing them those rich pictures, and I would tell them to pause the video and write down their noticings and their wonderings. I was able to show them data like graphs or images and had them analyze them. I was able to tell them what handouts to pick up. And then if I was able to provide them electronically, I would put the link in my agenda slide, or I would show them what it looked like, and then they could go get it because we have an extra worksheets box in my classroom. All right, so today we kind of picked up where we left off last week. So remember, we're trying to figure out, how do chromosomes cause cattle to be born with extra big muscles? We just kind of reviewed that chromosomes are a 3D structure made of lots and lots of atoms. Here's another picture. We simplified the chromosomes to be colors, sectioned colors with shapes. So everybody got cattle cards. Let me grab a cattle card quick. Everybody got those cattle cards again, like this, and they had the 2 chromosomes on them. One came from mom, one came from dad, and they had the protein on there, myostatin, and then it had a cow. So kids got into groups. We reviewed that protein, the structure of the protein is connected to its function, just like the actin and the myosin, and that chromosomes are much bigger than protein. We looked at that there are 2 versions of a protein we're looking at, myostatin, and these are 2 versions of them. We called this one kind of full and this one more wholly. And all these little dots are atoms. And then we filled out this worksheet. So if you are in hours 3 and 4, we filled out this entire worksheet. Hour 5, we had already filled this out. Hour 6, we started with number 3 and went on. So if you have this worksheet, you should ask someone near you about questions 2 and 3, and then you can answer the rest on your own.